Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to set or insert pie chart in Microsoft Word in Windows 11. So for this case we will open any kinds of file. So here we I have opened, so here lots of bar sections are present here. So insert, we will click in insert options or insert page, we will uh, get the chart option. So chart option, here the pie sections we want to take. So how? So click here. Here have the lots of pie sections is present here. Also this pie of pie, here we want the pie of pie. So first normally we will take this chart and press the OK. See, the pie chart has been revealed. If we want to change the value, here 5 4 5, not 5, here is the 8 or 4, here 1. See, the sales column or sales information has been changed. So here if we want to see the number sections or percentage or lots of things, this way how many percents, this has been changed according to this way. So in this way we can change these sections. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.